Hey, it's Ken here with UAV Coach. Welcome back to our Can I Fly My Drone series. This week we're going to answer the question, can I fly my drone over a theme park? So let's get started. A few of our viewers have asked if you can fly your drone over a theme park. So let's talk about it. There are lots of theme parks throughout the US. Busch Gardens has a couple, Six Flags has several, and of course, Disney has two very large parks. So can you fly your drone at these parks? Let's start with Busch Gardens in Williamsburg, Virginia. The park itself is in an area of uncontrolled airspace, but there are a few restricted areas nearby. The park website doesn't specifically say no drones though. Six Flags Over Texas in Arlington, Texas is also in an area of uncontrolled airspace, but it's sandwiched between a Class B airport and a Class D airport. The Six Flags website prohibits the operation or use of any unmanned aerial vehicle on or from Six Flags premises without specific written consent. But both Disneyland in California and Disney World in Florida have notices to air emissions, or NOTAMs, that are permanently active over the entire park. NOTAM 4/3635 and 4/3634 respectively. The FAA classifies the airspace in these NOTAMs as national defense airspace, and drones are prohibited over the entire area of these parks. Now, just because Busch Gardens is in uncontrolled airspace and the website doesn't say that drones are prohibited in the park doesn't mean that you can fly your drone there. As with all drone flights, you have to follow the rules of Part 107 or USC 44809 if it's a recreational flight under the exemption. Both rules require that you keep the drone within visual line of sight and you don't fly over people who aren't part of your operation or over moving vehicles, along with other requirements. This will be difficult to do at any theme park. So can you fly your drone over a theme park? It depends. If the park is in an area where there are no airspace restrictions and you can keep the drone within visual line of sight and not fly over people or cars, then you might be able to fly your drone there. If you're at Disneyland or Disney World, the answer is just no. Your pro tip is, if you plan to fly your drone over or near a theme park, as with any drone flight, check the airspace using an app like Air Control by Aloft or any airspace app. Check for NOTAMs and make sure you obtain FAA authorization through LANC if you're in controlled airspace, Class B, C, D, or E. Don't fly over people or moving vehicles. If you're looking for additional training or need help, make sure you go to the UAV Coach website. UAV Coach offers online and hands-on training for all skill levels of drone pilots. Let us know in the comments if you have a "Can I fly my drone" question so that we can cover it in a future video. Also hit the thumbs up button if you like the video and hit the subscribe and notification buttons to be notified of upcoming content. Thanks for watching, and from all of us here at UAV Coach, we wish you blue skies and safe flying. We'll see you next time.